Crispy outside, soft inside. Today we are making perfect homemade churros without any fancy tools. Hi, this is Spice and Smoke by Ashish, and let's make a cafe style churros at home. Boil a water, add some sugar and butter and mix it well until they all melt and mix together. Now turn off the heat and let it cool slightly, and then we're gonna add our all purpose flour. Pipe the dough into hot oil and fry until golden and crispy. Make with your style. Just make sure your oil shouldn't be so hot, otherwise it's become gold from outside but the uncooked from the inside. So make sure the medium hot oil and cook it until they turn in a gold color. Now our churros is ready to eat. Just take it outside from the oil, coat with cinnamon sugar, deep in a warm chocolate, and I listen that crunch. If you love easy dessert, like, share, and subscribe. This is Spice and Smoke by Ashish. See you.